Welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today I'm going to teach you how to become a millionaire using one simple rule, the rule of 72. So you may be asking yourselves, what is the rule of 72? Let me break it down for you. The number 72 divided by your interest rate, and that is going to give you the amount of years it's going to take your investment to double itself. And the great thing about the rule of 72 is you can apply this to any individual in any different situation. This can be applied to someone who is already a millionaire, and this can be applied to someone who is working a minimum wage job. And the way that I have formatted this video is to show a couple different examples of where you can grow your money based on, a small investment. So we're going to go here in a second and look at a few different examples. And the idea here is to teach you guys that it doesn't matter that you're not making $100,000 or you're not making $200,000 a year, that you can still retire with the great nest egg if you have the discipline and willingness to invest money over your lifetime to let it grow. So let me show you a few examples of how you can become a millionaire even working a minimum wage job. So here we are. The rule of 72 is a simple equation to estimate the amount of money you will have for retirement based on the initial investment and the rate of return you are receiving per year. The equation is as follows. 72 divided by your rate of return equals the amount of years to double your investment. So here's a different example. If you take 72 divided by a 10% return, it will take you 7.2 years to double the money that is in your retirement account or your investment account. All right, now we're going to take a look at a few different examples of investing. Person A will start with an initial investment of $5,000 at the age 25, and she will also be earning a 10% return on her investment. Starting at age 25, she starts with $5,000. At age 32, she will have $10,000. At age 39, she will have $20,000, and the list goes on. By the time she gets to her retirement age, around 67 years old, she should have around $320,000 in her retirement account. Moving forward, now we're going to take a look at person B. Person B is going to have the same investment approach as person A. The only difference is he will have initial investment of $10,000. He will also be investing at the age of 25, and his retirement age will be very similar. Starting from age 25, he will start with $10,000. At age 32, he will have $20,000. Going all the way down to his retirement age, around 67 years old, he should have $640,000. Going a step further, here is an example of person C. Now there's a big difference here with person C and his approach to investing. He will start with an initial investment of $5,000, but he will also add $1,000 each year to his investment account. He will be receiving a 10% return, and he as well intends on retiring by age 65. As you can see here, by the time person C gets to retirement, he will have $865,000 for retirement. Pretty big number. That's a very nice number. $865,000 is a good lump sum of money. This is the type of money that can allow you to take vacations when you please and still have some set aside for any emergencies that may happen throughout your lifetime. Now we're going to take a look at my personal approach to investing. I am currently 25 years old. I recently, just a few weeks ago, opened up a brand new retirement account with a family friend who runs an investment company. I have given them $30,000. I intend on investing $5,000 every single month, which in turn will result to $60,000 invested every single year. If I do follow this plan and I do follow through and I am earning an average of 10% return on my money, then I should have close to $37,126,952.47 by the time I intend on retiring around age 65 or 67. So as you can see here, you have person A, B, and C, and also myself. Person A has around $320,000. Person B has around $650,000. Person C has around $900,000. And Connor, myself, I have around $30 million. Here is a great way to show you the importance of investing over time and continuously contributing to your retirement account or your investment account. It is extremely important to make sure that every single month or every single year, you're continuously adding money to your investment portfolio. This is the power of compounding interest. You don't have to be a millionaire today and you don't have to be a millionaire tomorrow. But by following this one simple rule and disciplining yourself to make sure that you're always investing at least some money over the course of your lifetime into an investment account, you should ensure that you will have a good lump sum of money when it comes time for your retirement. So as you guys can see from some of the examples provided, the Rule of 72 can really apply to any individual that is trying to set themselves up for a nice retirement account. I will leave a few links in the description of this video below so that you yourself can go to learn more about the Rule of 72. If you guys would like to learn more about stock trading and investing, feel free to join our trading team. It will be the first link in the description of this video. I'm Connor with Boiler Room Trading. Thank you once again for tuning in.